Okay, in this video we're going to learn how we can make 1% per day. Isn't that crazy, guys? Making over 1% per day for every day, 365% a year, or maybe even more. Just imagine if you compound all of that. So this is a video where I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you what I'm doing, how I'm earning over 1% a day. It depends, of course, of the day in the crypto yield farming. I'm going to show you some pools on Solana. I'm going to show you some pools on Sui, and let's go in the video. Okay, so this is what you see right here, 379% APR, and this is exactly how much we're earning. I'm earning a little bit less because I have a wider range. So this is on Sui, this is on Turbos Finance, this is a DEX on Sui network. Sui is a blue chip token. And then before we go to Solana, let's check Sui, how we can earn here. But before we go how I got here, let me explain you what is yield farming. So basically what is happening in the real world, they are banks. When you buy and sell some currency inside, or when the bank give you some money, they making a lot of fees, and that fee is going to the bank or for everybody who provide liquidity. Now here in the crypto space, it's called DEX, or decentralized exchange, which means the people who providing liquidity can be me, can be you. In the bank, I cannot provide liquidity. I must be some important guy and who have billions and billions of money to provide liquidity. And I don't want to tell you how much money they make behind the scenes. Okay. Now, even when you stake your money, when you put your money in the bank, not stake, when you just deposit your money, you're getting like some kind of APR or 6 or 8% per year. Here I'm talking about 1% per day, and this is one of the best tools we have in the DeFi space because we can be our own bank. I'm CryptoPhil, by the way. Thank you so much for coming and watching and subscribing. Make sure you smash the like, and also don't forget, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This is crypto and it's extremely risky. Also, guys, if you don't have a VPN, go and watch this video. Everybody who are in crypto or who is using internet, you must have VPN and get a ledger. Link is in the description. Get a hardware wallet. Stay safe. All right, now let's go back for how you can make over 1% per day. So first you need to learn how to set up a wallet and all that stuff, but this is not a detailed video how to do that. This is a video if you're already a little bit in the game. If you want the detailed videos, go and watch some of my previous videos. Now this is Sui and USDC. Okay, so 1% per day. So check this out. If you go in turbos.finance, all right, go add liquidity and you go here like pro, and then you need to set up a range. So what is providing liquidity? There are two types. Concentrate liquidity pools, which means we set up the range that we're saying, okay, if the price go between, the Sui price today is, when I'm doing this video, is 156, and it's been here between 140 180 for the last weeks and weeks and weeks, and I'm earning around 0.8% per day with a huge range of money, where I'm making money every single day around 0.8 percent per day. That is a lot. If I tighten my range, what most of the people do, maybe I should do that, I'm going to earn over 1% per day. Okay, so what's happening is when you're providing liquidity, that means we set up a range. So let's say we're saying that the price will go, let's say 10% up and 10% down. So if the price go up to from 156 to 170 and to 140, okay, so 135 to 175, if the price going here and there between this range, okay, maybe this is easier for you, between this range, okay, that means we're going to make money. For everybody who is buying and selling, they're paying fees. That fee is coming to you and is going to coming to you and coming to me for everybody who providing liquidity. What means we are the bank, and this is free to do. The only thing what you need to do is you need to provide liquidity, and you must be you must understand the impermanent loss. Well, it's not more impermanent loss, it depends how you're getting that in your head. I'm going to do full educated video about that one. All right, so check this out. If we say the price will go up between 135 and 175, we're going to earn 275% a year. Okay, that's roughly around 0.9% per day. But let's say if you want to put, let's say I want to be more narrow or a little bit more riskier play, 1.45, okay, till 1.65. Okay, so just 7% up and down, we're going to earn 530% in APR. Isn't this crazy? And I'm talking about blue chip tokens. Okay, That is crazy. So this is one of the tokens. You can go and play around with whatever you want, but this is basically one of the blue chip tokens. You can go and play with FUD and Sui and check this out. And by the way, I'm looking into this token when I'm doing this video. The price is too up, so I'm not risking. But if you go to pro, look the range. I'm going to earn 700%, and the range is 85% up and 40% down. That's a range total of 130% up and down. If the price go here and here, so meet like this, I'm going to earn 700% APR. If you just go and put this range 30% up and 30% down, I'm going to earn a freaking 1,351% APR. Maybe after this video I'm going just to put some money here, but I'm going to make huge range with 70% up, and probably because I think the price will go up, I'm going to put maybe 90% up and 70% down, maybe less, like 45% down, and we're going to earn around 700% APR. Okay, so let's go for Solana. This is one of my favorite decks I'm using. It's called Orca. There are many decks. Again, be careful where you aping, because you need to know what you're doing. Okay, so check this out. Let's go and pick up one of my favorite was here. You can play with more risky, but I want to play with more safe. So Solana, look this, 11% APR. Isn't this crazy? Solana. Okay, this one is just put the range 90%, 40% up and 60% down. Okay, this is huge range. This is huge, a very big range. Let's say like this, 50% down, 80% up. Okay, we're going to earn 10% per day. Isn't this crazy? And this is providing liquidity. Okay, that is crazy. Okay, the one what I want to mention to you is Render. You can play Render. So Render is paying at the moment 0.5, but it depends what range you set up. Okay, so this is on the auto range. If you get up and down, 22% up and 57% down, but you're going to make around 0.3. But if you put this range down, because you need to find more collateral pairs like Render and Sol, what's been doing great. Look, if you go 36% up and 17% down, you're getting 0.6% per day. Again, don't be greedy getting 5-10% per day, because that's risky tokens. More stable tokens, let's say Render. Again, not financial advice, do whatever you want. One of my favorite for the last few days, what has been printing is Neon and Sol, as I've been getting paid around 0.4% per day, because it depends of what is the trading volume in that day. Okay, but if you go here, look, 20% up and 20% down, what is very good range. You're getting over 1.2% per day, and this was over 4% per day in the last few days when the TVL, the trading volume, was skyrocketing. Okay, hope you understand, hope you learned something. Don't forget to smash the like, leave me a comment if you want to chat with me. Come in my Telegram, what is free for everybody, or leave me a question in the comment section. I'm more than happy to answer to all the questions you have, or if you want me to show you any different pools or different chains, let me know. I'm more than happy to do that. Thank you, God bless, stay positive, and let's make some good money. And make sure if you make some money, go and give to somebody. Watch some of my video, more you give, more you receive, because I'm changing life in the world. All right, goodbye.